Hello and welcome everyone to the Vagrant for DevOps course, where you will learn Vagrant fundamentals and its working with practical examples, as well as how you can get started using Vagrant for your day-to-day development work. My name is Yogesh and I will be instructor for this course. I have been in IT since 2003 and supported many enterprises worldwide in capacity of infrastructure architect, build engineer, and system admin. In my current role, I'm working on various cloud platforms supporting Linux operating systems, using different automation tools, DevOps tools, and using scripting to achieve my day-to-day work. About this course, we will start with introduction and benefits of Vagrant. Then we will talk about building block of Vagrant and how they are coupled together. After that, we are going to do installation of Vagrant and performing the configuration. The next section is going to be Vagrant in action, where we'll talk about different custom configurations which you can do to achieve your end goal. Once we finish that, we are going to talk about administration and troubleshooting. Generally, administration and troubleshooting is considered a system admin task or system admin job. But we are going to discuss because we are in DevOps culture where a developer can also perform operations things. So here you will get comfort on how you can do Vagrant upgrade in case you have to do, how you can do troubleshooting in case you are facing some issue with your Vagrant environment. At the end of this session, we are going to have a quick brainstorm session. In case you feel some difficulty, you have some configuration issues, you need some help, you can always get in touch with me and we can work together. So let's begin, guys.